If you are receiving unwanted whispers, private messages from strangers on Twitch, it can become distracting or even annoying while streaming or chatting. In this video, I will show you how to fix blocked whispers from strangers on Twitch app. First thing you have to do is to go to Twitch app. In this page, you will go to this sign of profile. Here you will move to settings. You will tap on settings. After that, in this list, you will scrolling down until you find this window of security and privacy, and then here on security and privacy you will find this page of block whispers from strangers. So you will tap here to enable this feature and to fix this problem. So this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video, don't forget to press the bell icon.